Oh no! Oh wow.
Short.
50 over. Sorry, I got more paperwork. Pink. Oh, come on. That'll work. Bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. I like what she says. Oh no. Bing. Bing. Oh no. I can't tell if you're supposed to say Uno before you hit the spin or as you hit it or just before someone else does. I don't know. You had your shot. You didn't do it. Yeah. Keep listening to her. Keep telling them.
More.
Oh no.
I thought you were going to get more.
Pink. Think pink. Run good. Nice. Ours. Mine's a word. Pink. Yes. Oh no. No. No, it's so close. So close. No. Let's win it all now. We're gonna have to pay the jackpot thing. Let's win it all. Bink. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It's the two-step here. Hello. Yep. Another mini. Wow. You got a good one. So do I. We're both crushing. We're both crushing it. We're gonna have 2 jackpots real quick.
2 jackpots right here, huh?
Yeah, real quick.
Alright. Well, when it leaves, then I'll go ahead.
Cha-ching. Oh no. There we go. Just enough. Oh no. Yeah. That's funny.
Yeah, really.
That was alright.
Going.
So awesome.
Still got a customer there?
1400. Come on, just line them up in there. See, 1, 2, 3, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Last spin. There we go. See? Line them up. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Last spin. This guy's gonna kill me, isn't he? Nice. Come on, 1, 2, 3. That'll work. That'll work. That'll work. Oh. Nice. Nice. Got him? Take it. Don't do that. That'll work. Bounce, I think. Oh man. 1400. Oh no. Get another one of those coins. That works too. That works too. Coin! Chip. Chip, right? Oh. Alright, chip. Wow. Huge. Oh no. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah.
Was not expecting that.
Yeah, that's what I was like. I think this is huge.